Looking for the best wingfoil spots around Cape Town that aren't overcrowded and offer steady wind for beginners and intermediates? In this video, we break down our top picks along Falls Bay and beyond, from Simonstown to the ultimate hidden gem. Cape Town is world famous for water sports. Surfers flock to Muizenberg daily, kiters fly across Blueberg Strand with Table Mountain as the backdrop. But for our 3-month lifestyle test drive in South Africa, good wingfoil spots are a must-have criterion. Where's the steady wind, minimal shorebreak and enough space for tacks and jibes without grouts? Well, let's start with Falls Bay, where southeast wind is your best friend. That's the Cape Doctor delivering reliable power. Right by the train station, Long Beach is a white sand stretch with a kiosk for coffee, cake and snacks, sunbathers and regular dive groups from local schools. Opposite the naval base, it's great for wingfoiling in southeaster winds. The harbor wall breaks some of Falls Bay's swell, making it beginner friendly. The more southeast the wind, the smoother it gets. Avoid too much southerly or it gets gusty. Parking is easy, rigging space is plenty, a solid entry-level spot. Back on shore, and I think the next spot, because it's on the same coastline, should be Glencairn Beach. I won't go out there, I'm not good enough at this point, but there are kiters, windsurfers and wingfoilers going out in Glencairn Beach. It's a beautiful little beach, and if the southwester blows, it's good to go. You need to handle some waves, but watching windsurfers, kiters and wingfoilers here is pure inspiration, even if you're not quite ready yet. The sand is as soft as it is wide in Simonstown, but the train tracks behind kill a bit of the idyll. To dodge the shorebreak, walk right toward the tidal pool and scramble over rocks into deep water. Parking is also easy, rigging space is plenty. One more bay north, Fischhoek, follows Simonstown rules. Pure southeast wind works best. If it veers to south, it gets blocked by Ellie's Peak. Busier than the others, with active WhatsApp groups and occasional downwinders, meet from Simonstown Windmill Beach to Fischhoek. That's my personal goal, right there. Parking is also easy, rigging space is plenty. It's a solid entry-level spot. Further north, Zandvlei is a freshwater lake with a rowing club. Head to the southern end for the best launch spot. Go with a short mast, 70 centimeters, perfect for practicing tacks and jibes in a contained space. Rumors swirl about water quality, but locals swing and surf here regularly and assure it's fine for skin contact, just don't swallow it. I skipped it without a short mast, but next time it's on the list. Parking is again very easy, rigging space plenty. Welcome to my favorite spot, which is Rietvlei in Milnerton, north of Cape Town. This is a water sports club inside a nature's reserve. Join as a member or sweet talk your way past the gate. My absolute top spot in Cape Town. Friendly community, gear storage, compressor for inflating wings and almost no waves on the lake. Plenty of space for big tacks with jaw-dropping views of Table Mountain, Lion's Head and Signal. Rigging up or parking is a no-brainer, and the local bar sells drinks and fried snacks.
come my lady, come my lady, you're my butterfly, sugar.
As a dream spot for many, Langebaan Lagoon is 90 minutes north of Cape Town. Kiter, wind service and wingfoiler paradise with steady wind, turquoise water and white beaches.
And I ain't gonna lie, cause your loving gets me high. So to keep you by my side, there's nothing that I won't try. Butterflies in her eyes and her looks to kill. Time is passing, I'm asking, could this be real? Cause I can't sleep, I can't hold still.
Oh, by the way, there is a significant water temperature difference between Falls Bay with 19 to 20 degrees in summer months, while the open Atlantic is about 60. Gear up accordingly. Cape Town delivers diverse, uncrowded wingfoil spots with reliable wind. Even Zandvlei had space for generous jibes. South Africans are super open, chatty and helpful on and off the water. Next up is our deep dive into Cape Town's suburbs and where we could actually imagine living. And if you are planning a wingfoil trip to Cape Town or chasing spots worldwide, subscribe and drop your favorite spots in the comments.